So the question is, what did God do before he created the heavens and the earth? And my theory is uh, God has always been, so yes, wisdom and his knowledge, his will has always been, and we don't know that the Elohim or the cherubim or the Sephilim and all of these other creatures, angels, have always been. And so I think that during that time, God was living in his infinite wisdom and reigning in heaven, created angels, probably for him to rule, really, created all of these creatures, these great, magnificent beings, and then thought, why stop here? And he created something else for us, an earth, and we're created in his image. And so then what do? Well, we have this earth to rule. Well, we messed that up a long time ago, and the demons took it over. And so now, fortunately, we have another chance to be able to go back into heaven, and God will rule.